Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Now for this video we're going to discuss two methods, the prompt method and the alert method. Now the prompt method asks the users for input, and the alert method it's like a warning box for, like, let's say for example a warning, this page contains footage, you get the picture. So I'm not going to explain anymore. I'm just going to start showing you. So let's go. All right, let's talk about these two methods. The first, do a script tag, save it. Let me write my name in here. Save this again. It's always the same routine. All right, cool, it works. Now let's do a prompt method. Okay, I'm gonna do it just by writing it out and then write a sentence string asking the user to enter something. So I'm gonna say prompt, and then I'm gonna ask the user to enter something. So I'm gonna say enter your name, right? And then you're gonna see what I'm talking about right now. So we're saving it. Okay. Refresh. It asks. The page says enter your name. Enter Nick, or whatever your name is, or whatever you're trying to do. Hit OK, and it does whatever result. Well, in this case, it's not gonna do anything here because we didn't do anything else with it. It's just gonna go away and then go back. All right. So I'm gonna go back into the code, and then you can do the same thing with this prompt message. You can write out the same prompt message and tie it into a variable, right? So I'm gonna show you an example of that. So what I'm gonna do here right now is block this comment, and what that does is it takes that line of code out, like eliminate it, so it doesn't get executed. So if I hit refresh here, nothing happens. We'll touch on that more in another video. Let's go back. So I'm going to do another prompt message, but with a variable this time. So I'm going to say variable or var, and I'm going to say name. I'm going to call it name, and I'm going to equal it to prompt, and then the same thing. Enter your name. Same exact thing. Save it. Hit the refresh. It does the same exact thing. Enter whatever name, etc., etc. All right. So now a prompt message, you really don't want to really use it that much, or be careful how to use it, because with that message box, the user won't be able to do anything with the web page until they reconcile with that with that prompt message. So, and the variable here, one thing, a benefit to that is that if you need to use this prompt message again, maybe on a different page, then you don't have to create this entire, take the time to write this out. You can just use this variable because this holds its memory. So, all right, so let's talk about an alert box, right? Alert box. So the alert method is, more for an urgent message, right? So I'm going to show you right now. So a regular alert method, and then I'm going to say warning, you're not permitted without authorization. I'm going to put exclamation mark to make it a little dramatic. It's pretty boring stuff right now. So I'm going to hit save. And then if it works correctly, then an alert box will come up when I refresh this page right here. Like that. So warning, you're not permitted without authorization. Okay, in this situation, when I hit OK, nothing's going to happen. But if it did work, it'll take some action. But that's later on. All right, so and then I'm going to show you an example of the same thing that I did with the prompt message. And I'm gonna comment this out, and then you can create a variable with the same message. So I'm gonna say var warning message. You can call variables whatever you want. All right, whatever you want. Remember that, or whatever it relates to what you're trying to accomplish. Let's just make it like that. So here I'm gonna say var warning message equals alert, and then I'm gonna say the same message. Warning, you're not permitted without authorization. All right, so let me fix that. Let's save that. And then if I did this correctly, of course, it'll give me the same alert message previous. So let me hit the refresh. And there you goes. The warning, you're not permitted without authorization. And then it's gonna be the same thing. You don't want to use it. You want to be careful how you use it, because again, this alert message box, it doesn't allow the user to interact with the web page until he deals with this alert box. In my case, nothing happens, so because we didn't do anything else to it. So this is just a introduction to alert and prompt, because we're gonna start using them more when we start doing like other things with JavaScript, like when we start using like more arithmetic problems, or we could start asking questions and then it'll take action, it'll do stuff, or etc. So this is just an introduction of it. So we're gonna get into more complex things in the future. So this concludes this portion of this video. Well, this is the end of my video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you like this content, please subscribe. Thanks, y'all.